If you have been playing Pokemon Green Remix and need a little boost or a little bit of modification that will basically make you a god in the game, then you have come to the right place because this is the Pokemon Green Remix God Mode. So let's get started. God Mode is the modified version of various Pokemon games, in which I add a lot of hacks, tweaks, and quality of life features to make you feel like a god in the game. You can do a lot of things using my hack, some of which are hacking your Pokemons, hacking your money, hacking items, etc. The list is too long to mention, so just give it a try instead. Oh, and if this hack is outdated or you want a god mode of a game that I have never made god mode of before, then you can use the Google form in the description below. Just make sure to check my God Mode playlist before you request a new hack. How do I get this hack? Good question, random person on the internet. Just give me all your money and the hack is all yours. Just kidding, the hack is free of cost and my channel is demonetized without a reason. In order to earn a little out of these hacks, I shorten my links. These links will first take you to another page where you just have to follow the steps and keep ignoring any extensions or software installations. Also, if it takes you to some other page than the download page, just go back to the previous page and click the get link again. The download page will have a readme and make sure you read it. Now all that's left is to install the hack. About the readme file, look, I do not want to be harsh, but don't you dare skip that readme. I will know if you skipped it and I will ignore you or even delete your stupid comment if it contains something that is clearly stated in the readme. Too many people on my videos are asking me for the same thing over and over again, and I am fed up of people ignoring my crystal clear warnings about the readme. So whatever you do, do not even think of ignoring the readme. If you cannot even invest 5 minutes of your life to read a simple readme, you are not eligible to use this hack. How to install the hack? The download page will have two files, the hack and a readme file. Make sure you read the readme because you will not be able to access the hack without reading the readme. You will require 7-zip to install the hack because WinRAR and WinZip just do not work well with the 7-zip files. Once you have everything, just unzip the 7-zip file and the extracted folder will have the hack game itself. It's just open and play at this point. How to use the hack? F6 or the combination of Fn and F6 will teleport you to and back from the hacks map I call Nirvana, where about 17 or 16 of the hacks are. They can be used by talking to them. F7 or Fn and F7 will toggle the debug menu, which gives you access to two menus and some other hacks. The two menus are in main menu and the Pokemon menu. All the options in both the menus are pretty self-explanatory. F9 or the combination of Fn and F9 can be used to open the main debug menu directly once the debug mode is toggled on. F10 or the combination of Fn and F10 will heal all your party Pokemons instantly, which can be used mid-battles as well as normally. F11 or the combination of Fn and F11 will toggle between the list style and the ID style of selecting items in the following options. If the ID style is selected, you will require the IDs that are already provided in the folder named IDs. The Alt button will toggle the God speed, which toggles the game speed basically. Debug hacks. These hacks require debug, so make sure it is on before using them. Walk through walls. Hold control while walking. Skip battles. Hold control before the battle starts. Skip battles with the option of win and lose. Start battle. Hold control, select one. Catch trainer Pokemon. Hold control while throwing the Pokeball. That's probably all you need to know. Make sure you like, share, subscribe and press the bell icon. And I will see you in the next video.